In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formatting options in Microsoft Teams. To kick things off, our first crucial step is to navigate to the Chats section within your Microsoft Teams application. This is your dedicated space for one-on-one conversations and smaller group discussions, distinct from the broader channels where larger team communications happen. You'll typically find the Chats icon prominently displayed on the left-hand navigation rail of your Teams interface. It often looks like a speech bubble or two overlapping speech bubbles. Clicking on this icon will open up your entire chat history, allowing you to see all your recent conversations. Whether you're planning to send a message to a specific colleague, initiate a new discussion with a group, or reply to an ongoing thread, you must first select or create a chat. This action brings up the message composition box, which is the very foundation for applying any formatting. Without an active chat window and an accessible message input area, you won't be able to utilize the powerful styling features we're about to explore. So, take a moment to select the desired chat or start a new one, ensuring you have the message field ready for input. Once you have your chat window open and the message composition box visible at the bottom, your next step is to activate the formatting toolkit. Direct your attention just below the message input area. You'll notice a small row of icons there. Look for the Show Formatting Options button. This particular icon is usually represented by an uppercase A with a small pencil or paintbrush, clearly indicating its purpose related to text styling. Don't underestimate this seemingly small button, as clicking it is what unlocks a whole new level of communication power. What happens is that your plain text message box immediately expands, and a comprehensive formatting toolbar appears directly above it. Before this click, your messages are basic and unstyled, limiting your ability to emphasize or organize content. After you click it, you gain access to a rich set of tools, much like what you'd find in a word processing application. This transformation is key for anyone looking to go beyond simple text, allowing you to structure your messages for better readability and impact, ensuring your communication is not only sent, but truly understood. Now that the formatting toolbar is prominently displayed above your message box, you are ready to explore and utilize the various options to enhance your communication. This toolbar offers a rich array of tools to make your messages clear, organized, and impactful. For instance, you can easily highlight important keywords by selecting them and clicking the B icon for bold text, or use the I icon for italics to emphasize certain phrases. The U icon will underline specific text, which is great for drawing attention. Beyond basic styling, you can also create structured content like bulleted or numbered lists, which are incredibly effective for presenting multiple points, outlining steps, or itemizing information in an easy-to-digest format. You'll find options to change font color, highlight backgrounds, or even insert block quotes for referencing previous messages or external text. For longer, more complex messages, you can apply different heading styles to break up your content and improve overall readability, making it much easier for your recipients to scan and understand. Remember, these tools aren't just for aesthetics. They are functional aids designed to reduce ambiguity and ensure your message's intent is clearly conveyed, leading to more efficient and effective collaboration within your team. Take some time to familiarize yourself with each icon and experiment with how it can best serve your communication needs.